Start.
We're here. I don't know the episode.
Yeah.
We've lost count at this point.
Yeah, we are too big for us to count. Really big. Even Joe Rogan numbers every episode, right? We have no space to put our numbers.
Just put hashtag and then 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but there is no space sometimes.
Hashtag 1. That's 2 letters. I mean, now we're double digit at least. So that's 3 letters.
Okay.
You can save that much space.
Yes, sir.
So I think it's possible. So to figure that out.
Moving on. What else is happening in your life, Christian? Tell me about the watch.
Don't segue me into my watch. Yeah, the Inspire 3 watch. I had it on the last episode as well.
Yeah, same watch we both have.
Look at that bad boy. Inspire 3.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, so we got it for sleep mostly. And also readiness score. The readiness score finally came 40.
Okay.
I don't know why it's so low though.
But today how was it? Because you had a good day sleep, right?
No, it came today, so...
Oh, today is the first day, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, wow.
It takes some time to calibrate.
Yeah, the first day is shit though. I got 13 or something.
That's exceptionally bad.
Yeah.
So that's good on you.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, so... We got it for sleep, and it calculates something called readiness score. So for people that don't know what a readiness score is, at least in relation to Fitbit, is that a readiness score is just it gauging how ready you are for a workout or physical activity based on sleep and also a bunch of other stuff, like how much you've worked out recently and like stuff before. So it just sees if you're ready for a lot of physical activity or not.
Yeah.
Depending on what it has available. So mine got 40. He's got 13 at one point. That's probably...
I mean, today it was fine, the 65. So,
it's good though.
Yeah, so I don't know how it gauges those things at times, but yeah. But it kind of somewhat relates to my body condition, how I feel as well, like what and all hurts. If nothing is hurting in my body, readiness score is so high.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so shocking.
So it seems to be somewhat correct. At least.
And some days it just doesn't give me a readiness score. That's a flaw in Fitbit, I think. I don't know why, even though I'm wearing the watch 24 hours. So that's one big issue. I mean, for me personally, I cut out sugar for now more than 1 or 2 months, and then sleeping longer. But the only issue is at random times, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and stuff.
Yeah.
But sleeping for 7+ hours, close to 8 hours consistently. So I am having a decent readiness score. Deep sleep is still more than 1 hour if I manage to sleep more than 7 hours kind of. And I also am losing weight now, if you guys can see and tell. From 82 to 77ish sometime. Today I checked 77ish.
5 kg.
Yeah.
You've lost.
Without meal, 77. So.
Yeah, and after a big old dookie, you probably have a lot less.
I mean, it'll be like what, 1 kg, let's assume, still 78, right?
That's a solid entire kilogram gone because of one visit.
Yeah, but it'll be digested and it'll be going away anyway. So yeah, I'm like around 77 point, less than 0.50, I guess, something like that. So it's good. Weight is falling off. I want to go till 72, 3, 7.
Do you measure with clothes on?
Yeah, but it's just MMA clothes though, so it's not like a really
whole
heavy
lot.
shit.
Yeah, okay. With like massive winter shoes and everything.
Yeah, sometimes with shoes though. I think today I did with shoes actually. I got 77. With shoes.
Yeah, but it's your shoes, which is sandals.
No, the proper shoe.
Like the
red one.
Oh yeah, okay, it's a running shoe.
Yeah, which is not heavy.
Yeah.
I mean 300 grams maybe the shoe. So.
Yeah, but is it a per shoe? Anyway. Anywho, you're
Oh
losing
yeah,
weight.
maybe per shoe, I don't know. That means even lower than that.
Exactly, optimism.
Wow.
But anywho, the point is weight is getting lost, so hopefully you can keep it up though.
Are you gaining weight, Christian?
I don't have a weight scale, so
I mean,
I don't know. Maybe.
But do you feel like you are gaining? What do you feel, Christian? Tell
Am
me
I vibing?
Tell me about your feelings.
Do I feel like I feel heavier. No, I don't feel any different at all. Nothing.
I mean, you okay?
So because I only weigh myself when I go back home, because that's where the scale is.
And that's a total waste of time because it's Christmas. You'll eat shit, kind of.
I don't gain weight. But a lot of people gain like a tremendous amount of weight during the month of December
And Thanksgiving time.
and Thanksgiving.
This week, basically.
Yeah, so a lot from now till Christmas they gain a lot of weight. Not really a problem for me. And not really a problem for any of my brothers either. So I don't know why. It hasn't been a problem for. I mean, you don't even celebrate Christmas, but.
I mean, nowadays I had to. I have to go to her place.
Oh yeah. That's true.
Yeah. To buy. I started buying the stuff for them.
What stuff? Oh, Christmas gifts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I gave him. Do you remember what I gave you, Christian?
You gave me a Game Boy looking
dust filled
machine to play retro games. This, but in a greenish color, similar to the tape I gave you. This, similar to that in color.
Yeah.
So this is just like a thing that has a bunch of.
The moment the Pokemon did not work, I just kept it and that's all. Just gone. Oh,
So it's just a little Game Boy thing emulator that has a bunch of different games.
It has like close to 600, 800,000 games maybe. Under 1,000 games, but it's worth it.
Is
right?
it Chinese?
What Chinese? What is it?
Is the thing Chinese?
Everything is made in China. What do you
Yeah.
mean?
But is the company Chinese?
Obviously.
Okay. Makes sense.
I mean, just says X6 though. In AliExpress I got. So you guys can see.
So
It's a cool one though. There's two gimbals, D-pad, buttons, and then the left and right triggers.
you haven't found a game that works with that.
It's just for scrolling.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine it was working. It would be so cool for racing games.
Yeah, imagine if everything worked, I guess.
Yeah.
Like, shit would be cool.
I mean, for the price, I mean,
Yeah.
you can't expect much.
Yeah, how much does it cost?
$15. 15
Okay.
euros.
That's really good though.
That's a good one.
Because you get, I mean, some of the games are janky, but if it's like a smaller game that not like, Pokemon is a big game, and Zelda's a big game. But if you get,
Does it have Zelda and all?
yeah, it has Zelda. Like it has.
Have you tried it again?
No, I haven't tried. I just saw it when I was scrolling. It could be like some Chinese knockoff. They have
No, but
Japanese.
these are all actually emulator games, right?
Yeah,
Like,
but they
why would
also have a bunch of knockoff games. They
Really?
have Samurai Mario.
Okay. I mean, maybe the Nintendo.
Maybe it was a game.
Yeah,
I don't
maybe
know.
they released some shit.
But it
right?
just looked very janky because he did like ninja moves. It's just a regular ninja with Mario.
Oh, really?
And
Oh,
then-
God.
So it just sucked. So
I mean, you played your nostalgic childhood game.
yes,
What
Tom and
was
Jerry and the Ring of Magic, I think.
a magic ring? Or
Yeah, the Cursed Ring, Magic Ring, something
Yeah.
like that. Yeah, it's a nostalgic game. So that's the
For me, I played Pokemon to up to some point. The only flaw I found was the game clock was not moving. That was not good.
Yeah, so that means you stuck. You're self-locked or hard
Yeah.
locked. You cannot get past anything.
Yeah, certain stuff, certain cool Pokemons I cannot get, so
Just gave up.
it's sad.
I mean, which Pokemon were you playing? Like Crystal? What was the
I
name?
played Geodude and then
No, but the game.
Crystal version.
Crystal. Okay.
But it has every version though. Sapphire, everything is there. Maybe I can try the other ones and check whether if they are also shitty or what. I have to check, but yeah. But
Yeah.
this is the one I played in my childhood, so I just cannot. Maybe I should get. The best part of having this console is it's SD card based one, so you can connect it to your computer, download a free ROM online somewhere. We
and
don't advise you to do gaming piracy. If people wanted,
You
I did
want
not
to-
do, we did not do. If you guys wanted to do for educational reasons, you can get some free gaming ROMs and play it on emulators like this. And we don't recommend that. Yeah.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Remember to always put allegedly
Yeah.
in front of anything.
Yeah. I mean, I just said we did not do anything.
I mean, we haven't done it. I
Yeah.
usually showed the website. That's all actually.
Yeah, I mean, we not even talk about those things, but yeah, sure.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, where were we? We were on the Fitbit thing. It's upside down, I realized. God damn it. Okay. Anyway, so it's quite good because it measures like pulse rate, which is okay. It can be a little bit misleading sometimes because every time I look at it, it says like 80, but it says when you don't look at it, it's like 60. I don't really know
Maybe
how
you
it
are
works.
just nervous to look at it. I don't know.
Yeah, it could be that.
Because 60 to 80 is also not something you will feel, I think, a lot, but you are causing it, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, it could be. It's just that
Yeah.
every time I look at it, it's a high number, and then it goes. If you go to like the history of you, it doesn't say it. It says like 60.
I mean, I really wish these watches measured weight though, or fat
But
percentage or
how?
something.
It
I
only,
wish.
It can do as much. It can't do. It only uses light, right?
Yeah.
So how much can you do with that? Not a lot. So it measures blood oxygen levels. I
Yeah,
think,
pulse
as well.
oximetry, SpO2.
So you can measure if you got sleep apnea, not like definitively, but
As much
so
as
that you can see something, so that you can go to a doctor. So
Yeah.
it isn't to diagnose it; it's rather to see that something's happening, so you can go to a doctor.
It's a real bad means it can detect
Yeah.
properly, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it shows your resting pulse, how much you sleep.
Heart rhythm issues, and also there is a study that you sign up for
me
that.
as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
You join a study when you join the Fitbit app, so that means it will also tell.
Oh, I said no to that.
Oh man, that means it probably won't tell you if you have heart rhythm issues.
Yeah, but I have my own stethoscope. I'll just listen to myself from time to time. I just do that. It works. It works. It's pretty steady though. So yeah, just deep sleep and then light sleep and then REM sleep and awake. Those are the things it also measures. When you're sleeping, how long you slept, when you sleep, and then it has a bunch of extra links to websites where you can read about what the benefits of sleeping and things are. And
stages, which stage is important, which stage is necessary to improve, and how to improve and stuff, right?
Yeah.
I mean, good food and then workout will obviously help you.
Workout will help, and sleeping. Yes, they said like de-stress half an hour before going to bed.
Yeah.
It's one thing, and then also keep the same routines. And then exercise daily. Actually, it said it's better to do it daily, somewhat, for 40 minutes. What else? I think avoiding screens. Yeah. Avoiding stress, I already said. And then just de-winding before you go to bed, and only sleeping in your bed is important.
Yeah, sometimes I listen to podcasts, but you don't need to actually. You just can go to sleep if you are able to do it. I'm also able to do it sometimes, but it just became a habit at this point. I just have to listen to something.
Yeah, I do the same though.
Put a timer for half an hour. We were already sleeping. Yeah. So would you recommend this watch, Christian, to people? After it's been 2 weeks, right? Or 1 week, 10 days?
1.5, I think.
10 days. 10 days.
So I would recommend it for people that actually do struggle a little bit with sleep and are not sure.
Or you want to know you feel so tired even though you slept, better to buy this shit to know what stage is more, and are you even sleeping in a healthy way?
Yeah, you can get them for pretty cheap though. Like mine was 40 bucks, I think.
How much was in Polish zloty actually? 250?
Yeah, 230.
That means all close to $50.
Okay. But still half the price of the actual thing, right?
Yeah, because we always end up buying ex-showroom pieces which are sold for lesser price.
A lot less. So yeah, like half off. Do that if you want.
I mean, these things actually cost like $4.99 or $500 zloty, $80 to $100.
Yeah.
You paid 40, I paid 30.
A lot less.
No, you paid 50, I paid 30.
Okay.
Yeah.
So still a big discount.
I bought 3 watches though. One for my mom, one for my cousin, everybody. Yeah.
Yeah, but you got it. Did you get all 3 in one auction?
What do you mean?
You got all of them at the same time, right?
E-
Or did you buy them
no,
individually?
like separately though. One of those things I bought it separately, but still I luckily ended up in another showroom demo, so it was fine. So,
Yeah, it worked out.
yeah. So that's it, guys. So we wanted to talk to you about the Fitbit watch and tell whether if it's worth it or not. Is there anything else you want to add, Christian? And then
About
we can wrap up this, and then we can continue with another cool episode of something, the next $1 billion industry. If you guys are interested, please consider subscribing. We have got to 450 subscribers now. Slow and steady. We started at 280 by the time I stopped posting, and then I started it back again, and now we are at 450s.
Yeah, we want to double that of
Yeah.
when you stopped. I think that's cool. That's gonna be cool.
Yeah, really, we doubled it actually. Yeah.
Yeah, soon though. You said you stopped at 280, right?
Yeah.
560.
Close to. Yeah.
So 560 would be the goal. When we beat that.
Yeah.
When, not if.
And then also like we were also thinking to post individual videos as well, separate stuff on his channel and my channel as
Yeah,
well.
on your channel
As
for
well.
for you and with regards to 3D printing,
Yeah.
because you do that a lot, obviously.
Yeah.
Look
Even
at the
today
thing.
we recorded some cool videos. So
Yeah, that took longer than it should have probably.
yeah, there's some technical issues. The structural integrity was
I think
not.
it's structural integrity, structural issues.
Yeah. I mean,
Engineering problem.
We can show them, I guess. If I manage to not.
It's like balancing a bunch of glass on top of a plate.
So like yeah, this is what we made.
Better support it underneath. Yeah, and then you can.
Okay, you are gonna do it. I can hold it the bottom. Yeah, you can go.
Look at that. Wow. It's a lamp.
It's a lamp basically, like based on the iris mechanism. So
Same thing in your camera.
yeah, or your eyesight, I guess.
Yeah, or your. Well,
I don't think it's a real eyes
No.
work like that, but I mean the ciliary muscles, right? In a way, it's still.
yeah, but it's stretching rather. But we get this one in our cameras. So that's neat. That's what his inspiration was. So.
And then I started printing in a new filament as well, red color filament from Sunlu. If you guys can see, it's inverted, but yeah,
It doesn't work.
yeah, nope,
You can't invert it.
nope. So that's it. So apart from black and white, moved to the first color, cherry red. I'm very happy with it. I mean, it could have been more brighter. What do you think?
Yeah, because.
Red looks orange though.
Yeah, it looks more orange. If that's
Yeah.
what they call red, that's
Yeah.
orange. But it
It
was.
looks like your shirt than a red, you know.
But it is. It was a lot cheaper. You said, right?
Yeah, 50 slatty. What
And
can
what's the normal price for black and red or black and white?
the black? It depends on the company.
Okay, but what did you pay?
The premium black and white filament that I bought with the printer, where you can see the whites there, it's all white, right? So those things cost like 80 to 100 zloty.
Damn. Okay, and that was a
roll,
big difference.
A spool of 1 kg costs so much. Here it costs 50. And also, like, you can go cheaper as well. Black and white, this company also has for 50. So, I mean.
Oh, 50. I thought you said 15.
No. 50. Dude,
50.
for 15 is like too cheap, man. Like €3 they give you. Yeah.
It's some crumble of plastic
Yeah, it's
bag.
basically it will break away, you know. The lower you go with quality of filament, when you start 3D printing, it will break in the middle and then it will jam the printer.
Yeah, but okay, yeah.
Yeah.
But also this high quality stuff also jams a lot.
No, though. Oh, jams means I'm saying it won't even extrude.
Okay.
So yeah. So we will soon make one more 3D printing video where we will tell you all about my experience 3D printing. So see you guys. Consider subscribing.
And look at the other videos as well. We have
Yeah.
more stuff that's probably a lot more interesting. We'll
Yeah.
see. And definitely, just to answer the question, yes, I recommend the Inspire
Yeah.
3 Fitbit for people that want to figure out sleep
On a budget,
on a budget.
especially students. So yeah.
Yeah, it works.
Awesome.
That's
See
all.
you.